Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gia and I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a pack with me as I get ready for my trip to Texas tomorrow. I have all my outfits laid out on my bed right now and I'm going to organize everything with my new CALPAK luggage and these packing cubes that I also purchased to go into it. So if you want to see how I'm going to get myself all organized and ready to go for tomorrow, then just keep on watching. Okay, so basically I sorted out all my outfits. I need 4 outfits because I'm going to be in Texas full days for 4 days, and then I'm going to have 5 nights and 2 days of traveling. So tomorrow's a travel day. So I'm just going to wear my airport outfit that I have laid out, which is just like leggings, a tube top, and then like a really big cardigan that's like super comfy. So I have like a mix of temperatures because it's going to be like 85 degrees in Texas right now, and it's still kind of cold over here in Jersey. So I just want to have like a mix of an outfit. So I have that going on, and then I have all my other outfits laid out right here. So, and I have everything sorted by with accessory and the bags I'm going to be wearing with it as well. If you guys aren't familiar with the CALPAK packing cubes, it comes in a set of 1 large cube and then a medium one. This is a small. Medium one looks like this, 2 smalls, and then an envelope pouch. So what I'm planning on doing is using one of the cubes as all my bottoms, so like my skirts, my shorts, and my jeans. The next, and my leggings eventually when I get everything sorted in the hotel after changing my outfit. Then I was going to use the other one for tops. I was going to use the smaller one of them for all my accessories, my bags, my jewelry, the other one for PJs and bathing suit that I'm going to be bringing, and then the envelope pouch I'm going to be using for intimates, so like my bra, my underwear, my socks, like anything that kind of needs to be concealed since everything else is mesh. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put them all into these things, and then I'm going to put them into my suitcase, and then I'm going to continue going through all the other stuff I have going on, but this one's video is specifically on packing my clothing items. So let's get started.